Msh Interface Display Introduction. First screen shortcuts and interface. Click on the device you can edit and set as a favorite or pin to the top. Click to play music. Pull down the interface to adjust the volume. You can also adjust screen brightness and pause the music. Click to enter the application interface. Click to enter the settings interface. You can choose and connect to a network. Sliding down on the main screen can take you to the device interface. Sliding down again will take you to the scene interface. If you want more detailed product information, you can check the store for further details.